show you Today in this video I will show you how you will find the low competition niche for creating coloring pages. This channel is dedicated for coloring books. In this video I will show you step by step which extension you can use for find the low competition coloring books niche, which can help you to get a lot of sales and you get the better earning opportunities during the book publish. So first of all I can show you which extensions are beneficial for you. First we visit the Google web store, Chrome web store, and this store extension name is AMZ Sniper Free Merch, Amazon and KDP Quick View. Add to Chrome, add extension. This extension is very beneficial for you. Actually, problem is not is that you can find the low competition niche. Problem is that when you are publishing coloring books on Amazon KDP, they not get any sales. The problem is not that you find the better niche or not. The problem is that the not demand is there in this niche. So after the enable this extension, you can just write a bold and easy on Amazon.com. Then you can see the suggestions which are given by Amazon automatically. This is very beneficial point because you can see the first is bold and easy coloring book, second is bold and easy coloring book for adult. If you can see the fifth title is bold and easy summer coloring book. You are know that now summer is going on in the USA. Then you can click on bold and easy summer coloring book. Click on summer. Okay. You can see the result is low, but we expectations is that less than competition, less than 1000 searches, and BSR is average 3 lakh. BSR is good, but results is very high. So now we are selecting sub niche. For example, if you can see summer glow, this is a sub niche category, summer vacation also, and cozy summer also. And if as well as you can see in this summer cozy summer niche, this seller per day sells 180. It means if we calculate the real royalty, if we are calculating the how much earning of this seller in one day, approximate after the deduction of all costs is get the $2. For example, we take the example $2 into 180. This seller earn $360 per day. You can imagine how much money in the month. This is very good niche, but this seller is very popular coloring book cafe. So we are not considering. We just considering the requirement. Summer vibes, cozy summer also repeated. Summer vibes also repeated. Summer vibes. We just see the results. 5 book selling per day, 19, 14, 11, 12. It means demand is there. So let me check the niche is what? Cozy vibes. Summer vibes, sorry. We just put the summer vibes. Summer vibes coloring book. Okay. Now you can see the results. 552. It means we achieved the first milestone is that low competition niche, and second one is at least 3 books which have BSR rank is less than 3 lakh. So first book is there, if you can see, Summer Vibes Bold and Easy coloring book. This seller sales is very good, 19 sales in per day, and first is okay, second is this seller. One more thing, when you are finding the 3 different books which have less than 3 lakh BSR rank, ask 3 books different seller list, different book cover and different author names. For example, Emmeline Green, second is Happiness Tugutu. This seller is also very good quantity book sellings in per day, 12, 19, and BSR has left just 20,000, 46,000, and third one is this seller, multiple seller is there in this niche, so we are easily consider, and also have less competition in this niche. This is very easiest way for finding the low competition niche. Don't complication of this step, just to do like that 1 or 2 steps, find the low competition niche, and then start the working on it. Signing off.